Question number 2 is based on the NEC. And our question comes from BJ from Oklahoma. And BJ's question is, what sections in the NEC covers requirements for dedicated space above the equipment and the space in front of the equipment? Well, BJ, just review 110.26E as in Ed for the space above the equipment, which is basically space that is designed for the protection of the equipment. And then review 110.26A1 through A3 for the width, the front of the equipment, and the space above walk-in space that you would review there. And basically, you know what that is. The eyes of OSHA and the NEC, you need at least 3 foot in front, a 30-inch width, or the width of the equipment, whichever is greater, a 6.5 foot walk-in headroom, or the height of the equipment, whichever is greater. And basically, that's the minimum. And of course, your table 110.26A1 would list 3 conditions, condition 1, 2, or 3, that you would have to look at. And of course, it's always important with OSHA and NEC, as well as 70E, if there's a wall behind a person's back, then what kind of wall is it? If it is a insulated wall, then condition 1 would regulate your distance based upon voltage. And if the wall happens to be a grounded wall, then condition 2 would list the distance in front of the equipment based upon voltage. Of course, we're talking about voltage 1,000 volts or less, naturally. And then condition 3 is equipment opposite equipment where the covers could be removed, and you would have energized components exposed, Then, of course, that would be condition 3, and the clearances in front of that equipment would be based on voltage also. So hopefully this 110.26C, along with 110.26A1 through A3, and table 110.26A1 will answer your question. Review and see if you agree.